Hello and welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel, where we share tips and tricks in just a minute.
Hi guys, for today's video, I'm going to show you how to block a customer on Shopify. So let's get started. Go to your Shopify website and at the bottom, you will see Apps and then go to App and Sale Channel Settings. Click Shopify App Store. Wait for it to load and then here you go, you're in the App Store website now. Go to the search bar and then type Fraud Filter. Just click enter and then if you will see this logo, orange logo, Fraud Filter, that's the one, just click that. And then click Add App. Wait for it to load and now click Install App. And then wait for it to download in your Shopify account. It will take a moment. But here you go, your fraud filter is already on your apps on Shopify. And then click Add New Filter. So as you can see here, you can add a filter name. The action is either cancel order or warning. If it's like a fraud, I can cancel order quickly by taking an action. And we can add different rules as well as, for example, we can select an email address and then what operation we want to do and then add value. And if you're done, you can click Add Rules. And once you are done, you can create a filter like this and this will allow you to filter customers and block them from frauding you. So this application can stop and block them from ordering for your Shopify store and also to help your account safe.
Please like and subscribe for more content, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. We'll see you next time.